NOR gates are required to form NAND gate. Okay, first of all the answer will be constant. Okay, you have to remember this answer. So if I consider that there are two inputs A and B, suppose this is A, okay, which I will split into two parts, and it is passed through a NOR gate, so I will get an A complement. And similarly, if I take a second input, that is B, if I pass it through a NOR gate, I will get B complement over here. Okay, this is A complement and this is B complement over here. Okay, so basically I have got two gates over here, A complement and B complement. Okay, I have got two parts over here, A complement and B complement. What is the input and the output required? Okay, what is the output required? The expected output over here is NAND. Okay, that is A dot B complement. Okay, that is we want the output as 1 0 0 1 1 1, sorry, 1 1 1 and 0. Okay, how do I achieve this part? Okay, now let us see the input is A, B, this is 1 1 0 0, B is 0, B is 1 0 1 0. Okay, so A complement will be equal to 0 0 1 1 and B complement will be equal to 0 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0 1. So I will again pass the outputs of both of them, that is A complement and B complement, through a NOR gate. So over here it will be equal to, if I pass it through a NOR gate over here, it will be equal to, okay, A complement plus B complement, the whole complement. Okay, that is 0 0 will give me 1, 0 1 will give me 0, this will give me 0, this will give me 0. Okay, and finally whatever is this part, okay, that is A complement plus B complement, the entire complement, I will again split it into two parts and pass it through a NOR gate again and pass it through a NOR gate. So it will be equal to A complement B complement, the whole complement. Okay, so I will get over here, what I will get over here is the reverse of this part. Okay, the reverse of this part. So over here what I will get is it's simple. Over here if I write down the output, that is the Y, the final output Y, it will be the complement of this part, so it will be equal to 0 1 1 1. Okay, so by using the, so this is over here the NAND gate. Okay, this is over here the NAND gate. Okay, this is the expected output. Okay, I have written it in the reverse form. The expected output is 0 1 1 1. Okay, that is when both the switches are on. Okay, when both the switches are on, the output is off. When any one of the switches is off, the output is on. Okay, so this is how I obtain a NAND gate from 4 or NOR gate. So the correct answer is option number D.